Log into your Sellonboard account. Navigate to Services, select WhatsApp. Scroll down and click Continue with Facebook button. Complete the embedded sign-up process to generate your credentials for the WhatsApp Business API. Please note that the number you provide here cannot be used for your mobile device or WhatsApp web application. It's advisable to use a separate number exclusively for WhatsApp API functions. Alternatively, you can utilize a landline number. Upon finishing the sign-up process, the system will automatically populate the API credentials. Please wait for the page to reload with the filled-in credentials. Click Save button and navigate to Notifications, Advanced Settings from the left menu. Within the Advanced Settings, you'll find the sending numbers associated with your business account. Click Templates menu to view the existing templates. For adding new templates, please visit your WhatsApp Manager page. Learn how to send a WhatsApp campaign to a group of users using our platform. Go to Notifications and access campaigns from the left-hand menu. Click on the New Campaign button. Choose WhatsApp and click Next. Select your desired audience. You can either retrieve customers by applying various rules or upload a list. Utilize our sample file to add your list, incorporating multiple variables in columns according to your template requirements. Proceed to the next step to compose your message. Select the template you wish to use and fill in all variables. Click Next and choose the timing for sending your campaign. You can also schedule your campaign. Click the Set Live button to initiate the campaign. You can pause or cancel the campaign directly from the main screen. To review filtered logs, click on the numbers under various columns such as sent, delivered, etc. Learn how to use automatic notifications. Go to Notifications and choose Automatic from the left-hand menu. You'll find a list of supported events for which you can configure automated notifications. Let's configure abandoned cart notifications. Click on the Edit icon under the Template column for the abandoned cart row. Choose the suitable template from the drop-down list. Fill in all the variables and save the settings. Before proceeding with these settings, ensure you have applied templates in your WhatsApp Manager. Now, simulate placing an abandoned order on your linked website using our platform. Verify abandoned cart records under Sales in the Abandoned Cart menu on the left-hand side. Navigate to Notifications, select Logs, and there you'll find the records for scheduled abandoned cart notifications. Check back after some time to review the status. Ensure you've added a payment method in your WhatsApp Manager for WhatsApp notifications to function correctly. Happy selling!